Trying to find the perfect scooter for your little one can feel overwhelming, right? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1: Gawtrax K's 3 Kids Kick Scooter. The Gawtrax K's 3 Kids Kick Scooter caught my eye immediately with its vibrant blue color and LED-lighted wheels, priced at just $45.22. If you want a fun, safe, and adjustable scooter that will grow with your child, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this scooter might be the one you're looking for. The 3 lighted wheels not only make it look cool, but also ensure visibility during low-light conditions, which is crucial for safety. With a weight limit of 100 pounds, it's perfect for kids aged 2 to 8 years. The height-adjustable handlebars go from 31.3 to 34.8 inches, allowing you to adapt it as your child grows. Plus, the lean-to-steer feature helps kids learn balance while having fun. And let's not forget the wide anti-slip deck that offers a stable ride, which matters for your child's safety when they're learning. Now, some parents mention that the assembly can seem tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's actually quite simple, and it only weighs 7.3 pounds, making it easy to carry around. It's a minor hiccup considering the awesome features it provides. This scooter is perfect for you if your child loves flashy rides and is just starting their scooting journey. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle rough terrain, as it's designed more for smooth sidewalks. For the price, you're definitely getting a solid, well-built scooter that's fun and functional. Now, if the weight limit of the Gawtrax K's 3 bothered you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Kemety 2-in-1 Scooter Light Pink. Next up is the Kemety 2-in-1 Scooter in Light Pink, priced at $64.26. This scooter really caught my attention with its unique flip-out seat, making it super functional for different riding styles. If you want a scooter that offers versatility, this is a fantastic choice. It features adjustable handlebars that can adapt to 3 different heights, so your child can use it for years. The lean-to-steer technology helps kids steer by shifting their weight, enhancing balance and coordination. Plus, with a weight limit of 80 kilograms, it can accommodate growing kids just fine. And let's not forget the built-in music feature that adds a fun twist to their rides. However, some reviews mention that the music feature can be a bit distracting. Here's my take: if your child enjoys music, it's a great addition, but if you prefer peace while they scoot, it could be a bit annoying. Just keep that in mind based on your family's preferences. This scooter is perfect for you if you have a little one who loves to have fun and enjoys listening to music during playtime. Skip this one if you want a more serious scooter without extra features. Honestly, for the price, the fun factor and versatility are hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for children who need a bit more stability. Product number 3: Kemety 2-in-1 Scooter Light Blue. Similar to the light pink Kemety, here's the light blue version, also at $64.26. The only difference, the color. If you're looking for something fun that stands out in blue, this one is equally worth a look. This scooter shares the same fantastic features as the pink one, with the adjustable height handlebars and that nifty flip-out seat, making it perfect for kids aged 3 to 8. The lean-to-steer technology is a game-changer for developing balance, and with sturdy PU wheels, it ensures a smooth ride. It's also super easy to assemble without any tools, a big win for busy parents. Some users reported the seat being a bit flimsy. Here's my perspective. While it's not as sturdy as some might like, it's more about the balance and learning experience for younger kids, so it might not be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if your child is transitioning from a seated to standing position while scooting. Skip this if you're looking for something with a more solid seat for older kids. With such a fun design and features, it's great value for your money. Now, if you're concerned about the seat feature being flimsy, let's check out a scooter that offers a bit more stability. Product number 4: Gawtrax K's 3 Pro Folding Scooter. Next on the list is the Gawtrax K's 3 Pro Folding Kick Scooter, priced at $60.07. This one stood out with its bright pink color and impressive light-up wheels. If you want a scooter that combines fun and functionality, this is worth your attention. The light-up wheels not only look awesome but also improve visibility, enhancing safety during night rides. Its smooth ride is thanks to the high-quality ABEC7 bearings, and the wide non-slip deck provides excellent stability for kids learning to balance. Some users found the folding mechanism somewhat stiff. Honestly, I can see why that might be frustrating, especially for parents in a hurry. This is perfect for you if your child is on the younger side and needs a scooter that offers both safety and fun. Skip this if you prefer something that's compact right out of the box. For the price, you're getting a scooter that's both durable and enjoyable. And now, if you want a scooter that's easy to transport and very versatile, let's look at the next one. Product number 5, ZIFFY 2-in-1 Scooter. Finally, we have the ZIFFY 2-in-1 Toddler Scooter priced at $77.11. This one really impressed me with its robust build and smooth riding experience. If safety and durability are your top priorities, this scooter is definitely one to consider. The ZIFFY features a foldable seat and 3 adjustable handlebars, making it a great choice for kids ages 3-12. The gravity steering technology enhances balance and control, which is great for kids just learning how to ride. Plus, it can hold up to 110 pounds, so it's durable enough for older kids as well. The motion-activated light-up wheels add an extra fun element, especially for evening rides. One downside is the higher price point compared to the others. But here's the deal, you're investing in a scooter that has a lifetime service guarantee and US-based support, which means peace of mind for you. This is perfect for you if safety and longevity are your main concerns. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and looking for something more affordable. Considering the features and support, it's definitely worth the investment if you're looking for quality. Now, let's wrap up what we've covered. So to quickly compare our top 5 scooters, the GOTRAX Kaze 3 is a fun entry-level option. The KIMETI scooters offer great versatility, while the GOTRAX Kaze 3 Pro balances fun features with stability. Finally, the ZIFFY impresses with its durability and support. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the GOTRAX Kaze 3 Pro because of its adjustable height and fun light-up wheels, making it perfect for kids learning to ride. On the other hand, I'd avoid the ZIFFY if you're looking for something budget-friendly since it's a bit pricier. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.